Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to unhide Instagram story. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Before moving forward, let me tell you, I will show you how to hide the story first and then I will show you how to unhide the story. First I will open up a story from my newsfeed. Then I'll just go to their profile by tapping on their profile name. Now to hide their story, tap on three dots on top right corner and then tap on hide your story and then tap on hide. And their story will be hidden from your feed. If you refresh the feed, you won't see their story again. Now let me show you how you can unhide story. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and then type in their profile name on the search bar. When you are on their profile, tap on three dots on top right corner and you will see unhide your story. Tap on that. Now go back to your home page and then refresh the page. And if you swipe, you will see their story again. And that's how you can unhide Instagram story. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.